Yes, बच्चे. Why are you raising the hand for reading?
Ma'am, I
And
thought you will
no,
screen share.
no, I'm not. You have to purchase the book, beta. ठीक है? For
Okay, ma'am.
proper study, you have to purchase the book also. Now I'm raise your hand. I am giving the another student chance. Okay, Aslal Arshad Siddiqui. I am going to unmute you, beta. Just start with that, and everybody have to mute yourself. Arshad, just start with the topic point. We were
Chapter
already
10.
yes.
Chapter 10. Okay.
Yes, beta. Introducing history, chapter 10. The topic was the coin. Okay. Just start
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the topic. Okay.
Chapter
Start with
10.
yes.
Introducing history. History is the account of the past events arranged in an orderly manner. Life on earth
Start with
was
the
not
topic
like.
coin. Ashil, start with the topic.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
have to start with the coming topic. Coins.
Okay,
Page
ma'am.
number 73. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Coins are normally made of metal or the alloy made during that period. The coins indicate the level of scientific advancement during that era. They help us to learn about the rulers in a particular dynasty and ascertain their reign. They also provide vital clues about the economic condition of the country. Face the fact. The art of collecting and studying coins, currencies, and metals is known as numismatics. Sometimes coins provide information about the nature and religion of the kings. For example, the coins by Samudragupta have his picture with a veena. This clearly indicates his love for music.
Okay. The topic was the coin. How we know about the coin. How we know the description of the earlier rulers from the coin. There are many things. There are archaeological sources. There are many archaeological sources, fossil fuels, burial sites, tools and implements, inscriptions also, and the very important thing, coins also. From the coin, we can know about the many things at that particular era, at that particular period, about the kings and many things. And normally the coins are made of precious metals such as gold and silver. After that, many times the coins were made of alloy metals also. Alloy metal का मतलब है, meaning है the mixing of more than one or more than one metal. एक या दो metal किसी और दो या तीन metal से मिला करके जो metal बना, that is called the alloy metal. ठीक है? And by that alloy metal, we can know the level of the scientific advancement also during that period, or particular period. The king, the scientific achievement at the time, at all. Okay. Now about the rulers dynasty and the ancestors, their reason. क्या किस डायनेस्टी को बिलोंग करता है, their ancestors also, the virtual values, virtual clues, the religious economic condition of that particular king. By the coins we can know the facts कि उन coins पर जो engraved material होता है, by reading that, by recognizing them, we can identify these particular things. ठीक है? And coins also providing the information, the nature of that particular king. By many of the coins we can know the value of the women at that particular era कि हाँ उस era में, उस time में women की क्या situation थी, क्या उनको respect मिलता कितना कि नहीं मिलता. Many times the coins having the women inscriptions also. Here the religion followed by that particular king, the religion, the followed by the particular area also. There is an example of the Samudragupta. ठीक है? By Samudragupta having the veena with him. उनके साथ वीना उनकी कॉइन में समुद्रगुप्त की पिक्चर इंक्रेव्ड है, एंड विद द वीना. ठीक है? That Veena clarified, that picture clarified that indicates the love for music for the Samudragupta. ठीक है, समुद्रगुप्त को जो he was fond of music by that. ठीक है, and there is a term also, numismatics. There is a term also, numismatic. What do you mean by numismatic? You have to tick that word and make the paragraph proper. Numismatic means the art of collecting. The art of collecting the sterling coin currencies and the medals is known as numismatic. Now come to the another topic, poetry. Clear? Now poetry, who will start? I'm going to unmute the, okay, Sonakshi Gupta. I'm going to unmute the Sonakshi Gupta. Just Sonakshi, start with that topic, poetry. Sonakshi Gupta, are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Another student, you just mute yourself. Only the Sonakshi will unmute.
Poetry. In excavation, many pots have also been unrevealed. They are basically utensils made of clay, or in later time made of metal. They tell us about the culture, civilization, and level of development reached by the people of a certain era. Monuments. Monuments refer to the ancient buildings which have survived the test of times. These structures are mostly found as temples, mosques, tombs,
No, just wait, but wait, बच्चे, just wait. देखिए, the utensils we are using, the pottery we are using right now, and the particular time. How can we know that the particular time? हम उस time के लिए कैसे जानेंगे कि उस time में वो लोग कैसे कौन सी pottery use करते थे? Okay बेटा, okay, रुक जाओ अब. I am going to explain that topic. Wait. Excavation के through many of the pots have been unearthed. ठीक है? Unearthed means revealed from the earth. ठीक है? Revealed from the earth. Just underline that meaning also. The basically utensils were made of the clay. ठीक है? Many times it made of the metals also. Basically सबसे first of all वो मिट्टी से ही बने होते थे, clay से ही बने होते थे. After that in some areas the potteries was made of metals also. ठीक है? And these potteries tell us about the culture, the civilization method, the level of development reached by the people of that certain area, कि वहाँ उस certain area से क्या चीजें belong करते थे, the civilization, the where they grew up, and the culture they followed, the culture followed by that particular era. Clear? Now the monuments. Okay, अब pottery से हमें मालूम पड़ा. Now discuss about the monuments etc. ठीक है? I'm going to unmute the, okay, I'm going to unmute the Ambika Gupta. Okay, Ambika, unmute yourself. Ambika, just start with the also. And other student, again, I am repeating, you just mute yourself. One by one, I am giving the chance everyone. Okay?
Monuments. Monuments refers to the ancient buildings which have survived the test of times. These structures are mostly found as temples, mosques, tombs, stupas, places, and forests. They tell us a lot about the social, religious, and cultural life of the people of the age, and they were built, rebuilt, or altered. In 250 BC, in the times of Ashok, the Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh was originally built with bricks. Later, during the Sunga Sangha period, it was nearly doubled in circumference, and the stones replaced the bricks of the Ashokan times. Four gates, on one in each direction, were added to enhance its beauty. An inscription on the south gate tells us that it was donated by King Stakarni. The Shore Temple near Chennai, the Taj Mahal in Agra, and the Red Fort in Delhi are some monuments that are of great historical significance.
Significance. ठीक है. Now, if we are going to discuss about the monuments, many of you visited too many of monuments. आप में से बहुत से लोग बहुत सी जगह घूमने गए होंगे, monuments देखे होंगे आपने, और हम तो रहते ही आगरा में, we lived in the Agra. ठीक है. Many of you visited Taj Mahal. Many of you visited Sikandra also. Many of you visited Red Fort also of Agra. आप बहुत सारी जगह घूमने गए होंगे. These are the historical monuments. Yes, Arav, Bharti, yes, very good, beta. I know many of you visited many of the monuments. ठीक है. These monuments are having the great historical significance, historical importance. And by these monuments also, we also know the historical events, we also know the historical values, how the rulers who made them and how the rulers converted these monuments by the ears, and which kind of things were happened, है ना, कि हम वो monuments हैं किसने बनवाए, क्यों बनवाए, क्या उनका purpose था, these kind of things also. These are very important things. ठीक है. Monuments जो refer करते हैं to the ancient buildings. What do you mean by monument? There can be the question also. Monuments refer to the ancient buildings which have survived the rest of time. जो कि बहुत पुरानी पहले बनी हुई हैं, उनके survival time तक आई हैं. Now it could be the temples, mosques also, tombs and stupas हैं, many palaces also. Many of you visited many palaces also. ठीक है. Many forts also. कि इसमें temples भी आते हैं, mosques भी, tombs भी, stupas भी, palaces भी, forts भी, सभी historical जो भी चीजें हैं, we can say them monuments. ठीक है. अब by these monuments, have you ever visited the yes tomb of Akbar? Yes. Now have you ever visited the Red Fort of Agra? आपने अगर वहाँ गाइड किया होगा तो आपके गाइड ने कभी कभी समझाया होगा, आपने देखा होगा. अगर आपने गाइड किया है तो they had instructed, वो बताते हैं कि देखिए these kind of carvings are belong to the Persian style, these kind of carving belong to the Hinduism, Islamism, that particular queen of that particular king, उस राजा के जो Anishka Verma, sit properly in my class. Anishka, what are you doing continuously? Anishka Verma. Okay. Now कि आपको वहाँ बताएंगे कि राजा की बहुत सारी रानियां होती थी. They belong, king have many queens. कि कोई किस religion को belong करते थे, तो किस religion को belong करते थे. And the particular area also was built according to that particular queen. उस पर्टिकुलर क्वीन के अकॉर्डिंग पर्टिकुलर एरिया, वो एक कॉर्नर ऑफ द पैलेस बिल्ट होता था. तो by these things we can know the social culture, religious culture and culture of that particular age. ठीक है. अब ऐसा नहीं है कि the monuments were built a single time. Many times they were built, many times they were rebuilt, and they were altered also. There is the example of Sanchi Stupa, जो कि बनाया गया कब, in the 250 BC, the time of the Ashoka. That was a very important monument also in Madhya Pradesh. Was originally built with brick. Later during the Sangha period, उसके बाद जब Sangha period आया, it was nearly doubled in circumferences. ठीक है. उसको उसका एरिया, वो पहले वो एक लिमिटेड एरिया में बनाया गया था, and it doubled in circumference and the stone replaced the brick. अब वहाँ ब्रिक की जगह पर स्टोन आ गए of the Ashokan times. ठीक है. 4 gates were there. One of the gate for each direction and added to enhance its beauty. The gates were very beautifully made and you can see the picture also in your book. ठीक है. As inscription on the south gate tell us that was donated by King सताकर्णी. आप कभी कभी किसी मंदिर में, मॉस्क्यू में, कहीं कोई मंदिर में या किसी प्लेस पर गए होंगे, वहां पर कर्व करके लिखा होता है बाय दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन कि कभी किसी ने वो डोनेट करा है या कुछ गेट किसने बनवाया, लिखा होता है ना कभी कभी कि यहाँ पर पर्टिकुलर किसी आपका इवन तो आपके भी किसी बेंच वगैरह पर भी आप भी बनी होती है किसी जगह पर, तो वो बेंच पर भी कर्व करके लिखा होता है, तो वहां पर गेट पर लिखा है सताकर्णी. यू हैव टू mention that word also. Maybe 1 marks question answer में you have to be prepared for 1 mark question answer also कि आपको विदा भी करना है बेटा. आप अंडरलाइन करिए कि सताकर्णी किंग. ठीक है. who donates that gate? The Satakarni king. As well as you are reading the topic, you should have the pencil with you. Whenever you are starting the class, you should have the pencil. आपके पास एक पेंसिल होनी चाहिए, कफ कॉपी भी होनी चाहिए. Okay, now another example, Shaw Temple near Chennai, the Taj Mahal in Agra and Red Fort in Delhi, and there are many monuments in our India. ठीक है. These monuments are very great and historical importance for our history. By these monuments, we are able to understand the period. We are able to understand the era, that particular era which belong to that monument. Okay. Now, I am going to start the literary sources. Okay. Now, I am going to unmute the another student. Akshit Khandelwal. Okay, Akshit. Yes, Akshit. Yes, Akshit. Start with the literary sources. Yes, Akshit. Are you hearing my voice? Am I audible to you? Start with that next paragraph, literary sources. Okay, I'm going to unmute another student. Upranshu. Okay, Upranshu. Start with that topic, literary sources. Upranshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start.
Literary sources. The early men lived in forests and caves, leading the life of a nomad. It was only 10,000 years ago that men started leading a settled life. It took another 5,000 years before men learned to write. Script, the form of writing, was created by forming letters and putting them together to form word and sentence. This gradually took the form of language and developed a literature. In the beginning, people wrote on the walls of caves, on palm leaves, and the bark of certain trees.
Bugs, that bug. Huh. Okay, continue, beta.
Later, when paper was invented, they began to write on paper by hand. These were called manuscripts.
Manuscripts.
As menu in Latin meaning hand. Most of the manuscripts were written in Prakriti, Pali, Sanskrit, or Tamil. The language or the medium of expression depend on the region to which it belonged, as we can see, the Mahabharata and the Ramayana
Okay,
were
मैं आपको
written.
okay,
हम
Upranshu.
पढ़ें?
Yes, very good, beta. Just I am going to tell the meaning. Literary sources. Literary sources का सबसे पहले मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of literary sources? वो sources जो कि हम reading और writing के through हमें मिले हैं. The sources which got by the reading or the writing. ठीक है? Earlier the man lived in forest में रहते थे वो लोग, caves में रहते थे, and they were spending their life and they were not settled. वो nomads की life, nomads मतलब कि बंजारों की तरह, घुमक्कड़ वर्ती की तरह एक जगह वो settle नहीं थे, ठीक है? And when they realized, the early men realized to live in a group. उनको जब उसने रहना शुरू करा, that was only the 10,000 year ago. ठीक है? Place to moving to the place to place. Yes, exactly. ठीक है? They settled life, starting landing just before 10,000 year ago, and after it takes 5,000 years when people know how to read and how to write basically. ठीक है? How learn to write, उसे लिखना उसने सीखा. लिखना सीखा में क्या कि डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस क्या थी. अभी हम अवेयर हैं बहुत सारी लैंग्वेज से, और बड़ी बड़ी एक हर लैंग्वेज जो है, सारी ही लैंग्वेज जो है बड़ी स्पेसिफिक तरीके से डिटेल्ड हैं, बट इट टेक्स मैनी ईयर्स. किसी भी लैंग्वेज को बनने में भी बहुत साल लगते हैं. ये बड़ा इतना इजी नहीं था. ठीक है? तो whenever the people start scripting, the form of writing was created by forming letters form होने start हुए सबसे पहले. ठीक है? And they put them together from the word and the sentences. Again a baby. जब हम यूकेजी एलकेजी के स्टूडेंट को समझाते हैं ना, पहले लेटर्स फॉर्म करना बताते हैं, then the word forming and the sentences forming. That is the process. यही सेम प्रोसेस था जब क्या written form जो प्रोसेसिंग में आया. ठीक है? Then the gradually took form of languages. कैसी लैंग्वेज बनी and developed as literature. Clear? Now whenever the people wrote on the walls, जिन्होंने लिखना स्टार्ट करा, वो दीवारों पर लिखते थे. They write on papers, पेपर पे लिखते थे, and the papers were not that kind of paper जो कि आप अभी अपने पास ही देख रहे हो. You are having the book, the paper were not so fine, they were handmade paper. वो handmade papers होते थे. ठीक है? These papers were called manuscript, जो कि papers जो कि हाथ से बनाए हैं और हाथ से लिखे हैं. That is the meaning of manuscript. ठीक है? Manuscript. Most of the manuscripts जो है, you have to learn the meaning of the manuscript. Just write down the meaning of the manuscript. The old documents or books written by hand. The old documents or books written by hand mean manuscript. Okay. Now the languages. You and me and now everybody, we are used to speak in English. Now we are used to speak in Hindi, but these are not the earliest form of language. Okay. In India, the Prakrit language, Pali language, Sanskrit and Tamil. These were the languages most of the manuscripts were written. सबसे ज्यादा इन्हीं लैंग्वेजेस में सारी ही मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट्स लिखी गई हैं. The literature culture developed by these languages. Okay, बेटा, it's time to over. आपका within a second class over होने वाली है. ठीक है? Just if you want to ask any query today. ठीक है? कोई भी कुछ भी query है अगर आपको, if you want to ask anything, you can ask to me. I am going to unmute. सिर्फ वही लोग रेज हैंड करेंगे जिनको कोई क्वेरी है, कोई जो जिनको कुछ पूछना है. ओके? यस, अंबिका. Yes, beta. Ambika, yes. Do you want to ask? Yes, Niharika, I am giving you the time. Yes, Ambika, what do you want to ask? You are not audible. Just unmute yourself. I had already unmuted you. Yes, bache. Okay, another one.
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो बेटा.
ma'am, what is manuscript?
Manuscript.
Yes, ma'am.
Manuscript are the books or the document written by hand. ठीक है. हाथ से लिखी जाती थी. पहले टाइम में प्रिंटेड बुक्स नहीं होती थी. ठीक है. ठीक है. प्रिंटेड बुक्स अभी जो आप देख रहे हो, प्रिंटिंग जो टेक्नोलॉजी है डेवलप वेरी लेटर, बहुत देर से वो डेवलप हुई है. एंड द पीपल वर यूज्ड टू रिटन राइट द मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट. वो लोग मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट लिखते, चाहे वो रामायण लिखी गई है, चाहे महाभारत लिखी गई है. दीज आर द एपिक्स. ठीक है. दीज बुक्स वर आल्सो रिटन बाय हैंड. ठीक है. यू कैन सी वन ऑफ द पिक्चर इन योर बुक. ठीक है. आपकी बुक में एक पिक्चर भी है रामायण की, अद्योतना रामायण. ठीक है. दैट इज आल्सो द मैन्युस्क्रिप्ट. ठीक है. ओके. ओके. हाँ ओके बेटा, इफ यू वांट टू